Welcome back to the yard, guys. I'm not going to be able to do much today, guys. My back is hurting me like crazy. I don't know if because of all this bending down in this thing or what, but yeah, my back is killing me. That's what happens when you get old. It's killing me, so gonna do a little something, but not mushy. You hear me? It was supposed to put this thing right here in today. Supposed to, but that's supposed to. I don't know. You probably kind of sit it up there, but making my back worse. Lord. Know what happened? It's crazy. When did my back start hurting for simple little bending like this? It's crazy. Simple bending. Now my back is killing me like this. This is insane. Oh, we don't want to break my windshield. Windshield that we had to put in here. Didn't see that video? Check it out. I think I uploaded that video where we put this windshield in. Pretty sure I did. Check it out on the channel. We did put this in. So we don't want to mess it up. Don't want to crack it. I'm taking it easy, guys, because back pain ain't no joke. I'm trying to sit down here. Back pain ain't no joke. Crap. Did I cut myself? I think I did. I don't know. But yeah. Wait a minute. Does this stuff go through the firewall? Does this stuff right here goes through this? I think they do. So if that happened, guys, we're not gonna be able to do it. My back is killing me. We're not gonna be able to do it. If they goes through that, I don't know. I don't think they do. Don't remember. I don't remember. But this is a hole right here that looks mighty similar to that back there. So yeah, I think the stuff goes through there. Yeah. So it goes in here like that. Okay. Yeah, it goes in here like that. And this, see all these screw holes? That's how this stuff goes. So they put a drop down pretty low. So yeah, like that. So, but my back is hurting so bad, guys. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it. Don't think I'm gonna be able to do it. Not gonna be able to do it. I'm not gonna be able to do it. Can you do it? I'm not gonna be able to do it. But I can do something though. So down here, that's how that's supposed to go. You can simply see it now. Maybe Maybe. No, I'm pretty sure this goes on before the carpet. I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure this goes on before the carpet. And the carpet just comes over. Yeah. Yeah, this goes on before the carpet. Definitely goes on before the carpet. Okay. Pull it up. Okay. Okay. This is how this thing go in here. So it's like that. Want to put those little circle things back on here, which I don't know. Where did I put those guys? Where did I put them? I see one of them right here. That would go on there like that. Then here, and here, here. But what did I do with the rest of them? Gotta look at one of them old videos and see. Because I don't remember. That's why I like screwing. That's why I like to put the screws on the stuff. So that I know it would always be there when it's time to replace it. Just like these screws right here. They're already there. That's what I like about it. That's why we do that. Oh man, I know my back is going to be killing me some more. I can feel it. Back is not happy with me. I think it's because of this car. All this bending over and okay. That's how it goes in there, guys. We got it in. We got it in. And it fits great. Which it should, because it's built to go in there like that. But looks good. Lord. Okay. Not putting the carpet in today. Let's see if we can check it out. See if we can check it out. See if we can check this carpet out. Come on. Come out of here. Okay. That's our dash. Hopefully. Oh Lord, I hope. It was a beautiful dash, so I hope nothing, some animal or whatever. Hope nothing ain't made it unbeautiful. It was a very nice dashboard here. This is our carpet. I better not mess with it right now, because I'm not ready. But I'm still fooling with it as I'm talking. Still pulling on it as I'm talking. But there, this is our dash. I mean, this is our carpet right here. That ain't not that big of a carpet. Oh Lord, my back gonna kill me more tonight. Okay, guys. Got a lot of stuff in here that needs to come out. A lot of stuff in here needs to come out. A lot of old car parts back there. Yeah, they need to come out of here, but that's the dash, guys. That's it. So we will be putting this soon. We'll be going putting it in and tidying everything up. That's the plan. And this is the carpet. It's folded out. It's pretty clean. I don't have to do a whole lot of washing on that carpet. I don't have to do like I did with that Nissan Altima carpet. I had to literally wash that thing down. Where are my glasses? Oh Lord. Oh, had to go. Yeah, but I had to literally wash that carpet down. This one, not really. A couple of spots, but I don't think I'm gonna do any water holes on this one. I don't know. I might have to, but I'm not planning on doing that one. I'm not planning on doing that. Not planning on it. Might have to, but not planning on doing it. So I don't want to fold it out right now because I don't want to put it on the ground or nothing. But anyway, that's the carpet. So now we will be putting that in next. Yep. Yeah. We'll be putting that in next. Okay. You'll see. Maybe the carpet was supposed to go down first. Maybe it was. I don't know. But we'll see. It shouldn't be hard taking that back out. It wasn't hard putting it in, so we'll see. Okay. Alright guys, this was a short one because my back is still killing me, and so had to be very short today. So like I always say, like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you again when we're back in the yard when we're putting the carpet in here. Yeah, so like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. We're back in the yard. Peace.